Let's go back. Let's go back to Take Care of Maya. It was a docuseries on Netflix, extremely popular, and put the story of Maya Kowalski into the public sphere. And a lot of people base their feelings and opinions about that case and that story on the Netflix series, which a lot of people do these days. But there was a trial that was covered by us right here on Court TV down in Tampa. And I watched the trial. You watched the trial. We all watched this trial. And whether people's opinions changed or didn't, I'm not sure. But I know my opinion of what happened to Maya Kowalski is based upon what I saw and heard in the trial. And what I saw and heard in the trial was a young woman whose life was not what it should have been when she was a child, ripped apart from her family. And I also got a sense that people didn't want to hear, people didn't want to listen. People made up their minds very quickly about what was going on. And what I saw, and I think the jury agreed with what I saw, because there was a $260 million verdict that was reduced to $213 million. I think what the jury saw is the same thing that I saw, which was a hospital that was not necessarily thinking about first, do no harm. Because there was harm being done to this girl who was ripped from her family while in excruciating pain. We saw and heard all of that during the course of this trial. And the people spoke, like I said. The people, when I say the people, it's the jurors. Like, that's the point of a trial, is there's a claim being made, and we allow the people to make the decision, a jury. And overwhelmingly, the jury sent a message to the hospital that you didn't do the right thing here. This family was victimized by your conduct and your behavior. 260 was the number. Again, reduced to 200. That's a huge verdict. That's a huge message. It couldn't be any clearer. But it's our system of justice. Just like on the criminal side, where people, when they lose, they can appeal. You lose, you appeal. And what's happened now is that the judges have overturned the people, right? Whatever the jury thought about the case, whatever they thought about the facts, that's gone. That's completely erased. It's as if what they determined no longer matters. That's the result of all this.